Ensuring asset mechanical integrity and fitness for service are key to ensuring offshore facilities can operate without unplanned shutdowns or costly failures. Offshore facilities face ongoing challenges posed by erosive and corrosive materials found in the ocean. These materials, extracted from the ocean floor, can lead to the gradual erosion of pipes and structures. To ensure environmental safety and prevent product spills into the ocean, it is crucial to monitor and assess these pipes and structures regularly. Offshore smart PIMs and micro PIMs by sensor networks are non-intrusive ultrasonic-based corrosion and erosion monitoring systems. Using traditional ultrasonic technology, the sensors take thickness measurements at user-defined intervals, down to 1 mil accuracy, providing consistent and accurate data for critical and known at-risk locations. The data can be analyzed locally or uploaded to Sensor Network's WebPIMS backend software for analysis, trending, reporting, and data management. Conducting on-site inspections at offshore facilities is challenging. Installed UT sensors were designed specifically for unmanned facilities, providing an ideal solution for optimizing asset and process monitoring. Their purpose-built, rugged design ensures that equipment remains online and operational during the unique challenges of offshore environments. By acquiring higher quality and quantity data, operators can correlate erosion rates with their process data and make necessary decisions to mitigate potential problems. Offshore facilities that are embracing installed ultrasonic monitoring are reducing downtime, extending asset life, and positively impacting environmental and personnel safety. Work smarter by embracing monitoring with offshore smart PIMs and micro PIMs corrosion erosion monitoring systems.